Hello, this is David DT, Trading-to-Win.com. Welcome to the Hell Week options expirations, and I would like to talk Google today. Here is a clean weekly chart. A lot of people do trade Google, but mostly they playing Russian roulette, high beta stock. They make some, they lose some. I would like to show you what would DeMark say about trading Google. But first let's talk about Fibonacci retracements. This is a total top back in 2007. These Fibonacci's are absolute retracement all the way down to zero. As you can see, it retraced down to 61% level, slightly below, and then started to move up long before the market, somewhere in October 2008. The second set of Fibonacci retracement levels is from top to current bottom in October 2008. As you can see, it's pretty close to 38% retracement level. Something else I would like to point to, rather was going up and volume is going down. Alright, chart is back, the same weekly chart, 10 years, Google. And while you were watching American Idol, I cleaned up the chart. And let me ask you that. Can you trade it? Do you know when to buy, when to sell? This is probably as clean as it gets. But guess what? This is probably all we need to trade Google. Let me change the chart a little bit. Here's the same chart, but with DeMark TD sequential applied. As you can see, starting from here, at least it produced consolidation. It was a sell signal. Well, it was possible to make some money downside, but longer term it didn't work out, but it didn't skyrocket right away. Next signal, same story. As you can recall from the volume chart, I removed volume right now, but volume was very high in this area all the way, I believe, up to 2006, beginning of 2007. Institutional investors were buying, in love with Google. Next sell signal. Well, this signal is not ideal, but then again it did point out that probable consolidation or sell-off is coming. Unfortunately, this particular sell signal did not comply with, yes it did. It did comply with the reason, which is calculated based on the highest, no it didn't, the highest of 9 bars. Yes, it went up, it broke it, but then again 3 bars later it's entered in a rezone. Let me show it. The rezone for that would probably be something like that. So yes, it's moved slightly down, then moved up, couldn't stay above rezone for 1 week, and then it went down. So another set of pocket money was made. Another sell signal. Oops. Consolidation. You see it formed triangle kind of, and it moved up. According to IBD, we would call it the stage number 4, when retail investor is buying, momentum players late to the party buyers are in, and so on. You know, normal story. Soccer is born every minute, every 60 seconds, like they say in a musical. Anyhow, the last sell signal right here, same story, high beta stock, difficult to stop, moved up, but as a result, yes, it did sell off. And here we see opposite set of DeMark setup. This is buy setup line weekly, and here it works a little better. Probably still people still in love with Google. This is week number 9, buy signal, oops, did not go below risk zone. Obviously I'm not plotting it correctly. So buy signal, moved up, sell signal. And here is the beauty of the last sell signal. Without further ado, it just collapsed, went down all the way until opposing buy signal popped up. That buy signal didn't really do a lot except for consolidation. Google went down, not further below under risk zone, well, maybe not even under risk zone, probably it's somewhere here, and then it's moved up. Why I'm talking about it for such a long time? You're probably bored, turn off your movie right now, but this week is a week 8 of ongoing sell setup. Let's move to, alright, just quick review. On a daily chart you see sell countdown completed, sell setup worked fine, sell countdown completed didn't work, buy setup, some consolidation, then again sell setup, some consolidation, then again sell countdown, this one worked, sell setup worked, and so on. You're getting the point. I mean, in every single trading system, when someone is using a particular set of indicators, there is this set of rules. You make some, you lose some, you risk some, you manage your money, you're doing your best. Alright, now let's move on to the latest part of Google. What's going on now? From March 6, intermediate bottom, it wasn't really bottom for Google, bottom was in November 2008. From current bottom, you see that Google moved up, sell setup, some consolidation, and then trading phase started, and it went all the way up, come down, sell setup. It did not work out because momentum is too strong, was strong, I tend to say, and it's completed sell setup as of today. As of yesterday, well, as of Friday, I'm short Google via I believe July calls, I'm sorry, July puts, long July puts. So let's see, this is brand new trade. We don't know if it's going to work, but oops, this is how it works.